Let's take a look at the 4 buttons on the top of your Twiddler. These are called keyboard modifiers, and while pressing them alone doesn't do much, combining them with other buttons on the keypad is where the magic happens. Let's check it out. The first button on the left is the num key, or thumb 1. When you press this along with any of these keypad buttons, you'll be able to type numbers. The second button we have is the Alt key. Pressing this thumb 2 button along with another key or chord can trigger a specific command or function to the program you're using. For example, in Windows, holding thumb 2 and pressing finger 1 left will open the shortcut menu for the active window. Then there's the Control key. Holding the thumb 3 button with another key or chord can perform commands and actions like Control C to copy text or Control V to paste. And finally, the button on your right is the Shift key. Hold thumb 4 while typing letters to make your text uppercase. These keyboard modifiers can really boost your typing efficiency.